strength, and hardworking mom. Stay tuned because I am about to stir some emotions and maybe even offend a few people. But the truth must be told. Foreign men are swearing loudly and unapologetically. Never again will I love an age gap Filipina drowning in drama. This is not clickbait, it's reality. In this episode, I will peel back the curtain on the roller coaster world of foreign and Filipino relationships and why so many men, once enchanted by sweet smiles and promises, now walk away with scars deeper than they ever imagined. It usually begins with a fantasy. A foreign man, maybe retired, maybe divorced, maybe just tired of Western dating culture, lands in the Philippines. Suddenly, he feels 20 years younger. A beautiful Filipina, half his age, smiles at him. She laughs at his jokes. She holds his hand in public. For him, it's paradise. The age gap at first, it feels like an advantage. She looks up to him. She's impressed by his stability, his world blindness. He feels like a hero. She feels like she's found her golden ticket. But what looks like heaven often hides a storm. Age gap means two different generations colliding, different values, different desires, different levels of maturity. He wants quiet nights, pace, and stability. She craves TikTok fame, endless selfies, and drama that fills his social circle. He wants a loyal partner. She's texting 20 friends, posting cryptic quotes online, and threatening breakups at the slightest disagreement. This is when foreigners whisper to each other in bars, online forums, and expat groups. She's beautiful, but man, the drama will kill you. Here is my play by play of the drama loop that countless men describe. 1. Love bombing stage. She showers him with affection, endless sweet words. 2. Drama explosion. A fight over money, jealousy, or his Facebook likes. 3. Breakup threats. She says, I will leave you, or worse, threatens to expose private matters online. 4. Reconciliation tears. Apologize. More sweet promises. 5. Repeat this cycle becomes exhausting. Foreign men who thought they were escaping stress realized they've just imported a new brand of it. Across YouTube and social media, vlogs, expat forums, and even private conversations in bars from Manila to Cebu, you hear the same refrain. Never again. She drained me emotionally and financially. The age gap isn't the problem. It's the immaturity and constant chaos. Mean sweet of ever dating young. Drama foiled Filipinas again. Some shift to older, calmer partners. Others pack up and leave the country altogether. Let's break down why the age gap luster expires. Different life stages. He's planning retirement. She's planning her next Instagram story. Jealousy and insecurity. She sees him talking to other women. Drama. He sees her chatting with male friends. Double drama. Financial expectations. He thinks love is enough. She thinks love comes with monthly allowances, shopping sprees, and family support. The result is a tug of war that ends with resentment and often heartbreak. Foreigners who survive these relationships often walk away wiser and colder. They swear, never again will I date for beauty alone. Never again will I fall for sweet talk without substance. Never again will I ignore the red flags of immaturity and drama. Some still date Filipinas but carefully. They choose women closer to their age, more grounded, less addicted to social media validation. Others just walk away forever. Mothering, it's not worth the drama. To all the men dreaming of paradise with a young Filipina, remember this. Paradise can quickly become a battlefield. Foreigners are swearing off the age gap, drama-filled romances not because they don't value Filipinas, but because they've been born one too many times. The truth is simple. Beauty fades, but drama lasts forever if you choose the wrong partner. And that's why so many foreigners say with finality, never again will I love an age gap and drama Filipina. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.